And we're dealing with temperatures in the basement with below freezing wind chills. So with all that snow going on there and all the cold here, we thought we would let you warm up by heading to at least one place in the U.S. that is enjoying beautiful weather.
Yes.
Yeah, can you tell where we are? This is a live stream camera from Key West, Florida, where at last check, it was a balmy 81 degrees.
81 degrees.
And it's that warm because we know Key West is the southernmost point in the U.S. So
a lot of people down there at the marina. We've seen a lot of people in shorts and short sleeves.
It hurts. You just want to be there.
80 degrees, almost 90 degrees warmer than what some of us were experiencing here in the QCA this morning. I think, yeah, we can just take in this picture. It's not very sunny there in Key West, but you can definitely tell it's warm. A lot of people down there on the boats, and oh, that just sounds really nice right now.
Just gives you warm thoughts.
Yeah, we need all the warm thoughts we can get. And also 76 days until spring. So the countdown is on, right? I think a lot of people, the first day of winter, they're already looking forward to spring. But we certainly do not have any spring-like temperatures in our forecast, but at least we will see some double digits here as we head into the weekend. But in the meantime, first alert day does continue through this evening for those sub-zero wind chills. In fact, I do think over the next couple of hours, we should get those wind chills above zero in many locations. In fact, as I'll show you in a moment, some of us are not experiencing much of a wind chill out there, but it is still downright cold. We're at 0 in Galena and Davenport, 5 at the Quad Cities International Airport in Moline, still sitting at 2 below in Kwqc and 3 below there in Dubuque. And that's where we do have a wind chill of 20 degrees below zero. Feels like 12 below in Galena and Clinton, 13 below in Rock Falls, 14 below in Savannah. But notice in the Quad Cities, not much of a wind chill right now. And that's due to the fact that we have a pretty light wind at 5 miles per hour or west. And these winds are out of the west here, east of the Mississippi River. But notice Mount Pleasant, Washington, Iowa City, that wind is turning to the south. So that's a sign of some warmer air to come here as we head into the weekend. In fact, without further ado, here's a look at the weekend forecast. We're breezy and warmer here on Saturday. Temperatures close to 30 degrees. It will be mostly cloudy, and there could be some patchy freezing drizzle. We have to keep a close eye on this and how the trends go as we head throughout the day tomorrow. Notice this temperature is a little lower than what we were telling you about yesterday, so we're probably not going to melt much of the snow. But another cold front moves through here Saturday night into Sunday. That knocks our temperatures down to the teens, and we'll likely see some falling temperatures here as we head through the day on Sunday. Clouds and radar, no snow to show you, but we do have all the snow that's on the ground. That's that white across the north, but off to the southwest, you can see that line of clouds that's slowly inching its way eastward. That'll be in here this afternoon, so we will call it mostly sunny to partly cloudy. There's your high pressure that was over the northern plains yesterday. Now it's right over us here in eastern Iowa and northwestern Illinois. This is going to continue to track east, and that's what's going to give us that southerly wind here as we head into Saturday. So here's a look at exact track. It's pushing that band of clouds here through the area this afternoon, not expecting any snow out of that, but you'll notice that those winds will switch to the south. So we might fall a couple of degrees here early this evening, but overnight with that southerly wind and the clouds moving in, we should start to see those temperatures rise. So no below zero temperatures tonight. Notice tomorrow as we go through the morning hours, those winds will pick up in speed. So yes, it will be warmer, but still feel pretty cool, more like the 20s when you factor in that wind chill, as we do have winds up to 20 miles per hour or so. And you can also see a few blips of pink showing up, which would indicate some freezing drizzle or some light freezing rain. Notice it's nothing widespread, but I think if you live along and east of the Mississippi River and probably south of Interstate 80, that's where we could see a few slick spots on the roads as we head into the afternoon hours here on your Saturday. So again, no first alert day in effect. This is not going to be a widespread freezing rain event, but there is that potential as we've seen the last few model runs for that freezing drizzle. So we'll certainly keep an eye on that. You'll notice that the winds will start to switch to the northwest here as we head into Saturday night. That's as that cold front plows through the area, takes our freezing drizzle to the east, and we'll see a lot of sunshine here, similar to today as we head into Sunday, but those northwest winds are going to usher in some of those cooler temperatures. But definitely not as cold as this, so we'll make it to 2 in Anamosa, 4 in Dubuque, 7 in Rock Falls and Galena. Off to the south, Zonecast has temperatures getting into the double digits for Macomb as well as Keokuk and Mount Pleasant, 10 to 11 degrees. And here in the Metro QC, we should see temperatures right around 7 or 8 degrees here as we head throughout the afternoon. So for tonight, 5 degrees. So we'll fall a couple of degrees with some rising temperatures overnight. That's as we get that south wind at 5 to 10 miles per hour. The wind will be pretty gusty out of the south, 10 to 20 miles per hour tomorrow with a high temperature right around 30 degrees. And once again, we could be talking about a few patchy areas of freezing drizzle. There's a look at the next 3 days, takes you through the weekend. There's that high of 18 with sunshine as we head into Sunday. Monday, it will still be very cold, temperatures in the teens, but we do rise into the 20s to near 30 on Tuesday after we start the day below zero. But as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, we'll actually go above average in the mid to upper 30s, and maybe we can get a little bit of that snowpack melted. But aside from that chance of freezing drizzle tomorrow, really over the next couple of weeks, I don't see any major rain or snow systems coming through here, so things will quiet down, and hopefully we can get those temperatures to kind of level out into the 30s where we should be.
Yeah, not bad. I was continuing to watch the Key West live stream, and the clouds are breaking up. You're saying blue sky there now. I know you were concerned about that.
Yes, absolutely. Well, maybe they'll warm back up into the mid 80s and just be even that much warmer than here.
Oh, it was nice to dream, wasn't it?
Oh, it was.
Yeah.
Warm thoughts, warm thoughts.
Coming up, a drug sniffing